Frustrated by A/B testing chaos? When your experiments crash under traffic spikes, statistical errors burn your credibility, and your team wastes hours stitching together fragmented tools, that's when half-baked solutions fail. This skill gives you battle-tested architectures for building centralized platforms with automated event tracking pipelines, Bayesian significance calculators, and Kubernetes-managed auto-scaling clusters. We're talking containerized analytics workloads, real time dashboarding with Grafana integrations, and experiment tracking APIs that handle millions of events per second. Whether you're a backend engineer wrestling with Snowflake pipelines, a data engineer debugging Apache Beam workflows, or a full stack dev drowning in Mixpanel hacks, this is your escape hatch. Spoiler, it doesn't involve duct taping Google Optimize to your Redis cluster. Here's what's inside the Building AB Testing Platform skill. Real-time experiment dashboards with live p-value monitoring. Statistical toolkit featuring multi-armed bandit algorithms and sequential testing. Kafka-powered ingestion pipelines that auto-scale with AWS Kata. Pre-built connectors for Segment, Amplitude, and BigQuery. Infrastructure as code templates for Terraform deployments. It comes with expert instructions, battle-tested code templates, and production-grade examples from Fortune 500 implementations. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just another analytics plugin. It's your organization's single source of truth for experimentation. Built for scale, obsessed with statistical rigor, and ready to deploy in minutes. Installing the Building AB Testing Platform skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-ab-testing-platform. That's it. You get the complete skill. Expert-level architecture diagrams, battle-tested Terraform modules, and production-ready Python/TypeScript implementations. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands Bayesian inference, knows how to configure Prometheus for experiment metrics, and can debug data pipeline bottlenecks before they happen. Seriously, faster than explaining statistical power to your CEO. This isn't just installing a tool. It's onboarding a 10-person engineering team's worth of collective experience into your workflow. 0 to production-grade experimentation in the time it takes to brew coffee.